there, Mr. Casas.
Tomasito, my friend, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Oh, this is the gentleman I've been talking to you about. His name is Pepito Manaloto, and his friend Patrick.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Boa tarde. Ajuda-me com comida e vinho.
Ano daw?
Sabi ko, magandang hapon. Kumain muna kayo.
Yun, naiintindihan ko. Kakain muna ako. Sige.
Sit down, Pepito.
Salamat. Nakakapag-Tagalog ka pala.
Of course, my mom is a Filipina and my dad's a Portuguese.
Kaya pala. Pwede tayong mag-usap ng Tagalog?
Actually, mas Tagalog ako. But I speak Portuguese para makmukhang authentic. You know, bom para negosyo is good for business.
Oh.
I know you understand.
Oo, naiintindihan ko.
So, I heard you're in the water business?
Yes, as a matter of fact, Pepito owns the largest water bottling company in the Philippines. PM Mineral Water.
Oh, I've heard that. It's a miracle na nakilala ko tong si Tommy.
Hi, thank you. But there's also another miracle about to happen. Changing water into wine.
Witty mo dun,
I know, right? So, let's make more wine. Let's make things happen. Let's close this deal.
Not so fast, Tomasito. I have one request first, bago ako mag-decide. Hello. Hi. Uy. I want your help for a photo shoot ng products namin. With these girls as the models. If that goes well, we can do some business.
That won't be a problem. Pepito's a great marketing team that can handle that.
Pero kailangan ba na sila yung models?
Yes. Will there be a problem?
No problem at all. Pepito can do this.
Pepito, is that okay with you? You'll help me with the photo shoot for my wine, right?
Wine? Why not?
Well,
Uy, witty ka.
yeah.
Merienda po.
Ay, thank you.
Kuha na.
Uy, sakto!
Amin yan. Kumuha ka ng sayo.
Sungit naman ito. Bali, mas marami naman to.
Ay, saan galing yan?
Dun sa yung wine tasting party na pinuntahan namin, daming pagkain kaya sabi ko, sige na, mag-uwi ka na.
Ano, kamusta yung pinuntahan niyo, okay?
Okay na okay.
Talaga?
Okay yung wine ni Mr. Casas. Masarap. Kaya nga sana talaga, PM na yung mag-distribute nung niya, nung wine niya. Tsaka parang gusto kong tulungan dun sa yung photoshoot niya. Parang sa wine.
Ano, kailangan din namin ng masasarap na wine sa KTV, hindi ba? Baka naman pwedeng sumama ako para makilala ko siya.
Pwede.
Baka hindi.
Bakit hindi?
Baka stricto si Mr. Casas. Baka ma-off siya pagka nagpunta ka dun sa photoshoot pa kasi confidential. Oo.
Sige, okay.
Pero hindi, huwag ka mag-alala. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na interesado ka dun sa wine niya. Na?